In this video, I will take you through the FOTA process where I will show you how to create such one in the Coiote DM platform. But before showing the demo, let's start with terminology. FOTA, as you know from the previous videos, is the firmware over-the-air update. Fleet means all the devices stored in one domain. So today's topic, the Fleet FOTA, is a firmware over-the-air update used in fleet management scenarios where a large number of devices need to be updated. And the last one, FOTA Campaign, is the name of the dashboard in Coiote where you can create groups which activate Fleet FOTA. So let's move to the Firmware Update tab where we'll set configurations. From the left side menu, choose Firmware Update and FOTA Configurations. FOTA configuration is an entry that determines the technical settings for firmware updates. The settings cover image delivery method, image transport type, and URI format and timeouts. The dashboard contains a list of configurations with the possibility to filter information per status, activate or expired, name, type, so the multi-component or basic, domain, expiration date, created, created by, and visible in subdomains. The settings icon allows for adjusting the table by adding or hiding columns. Here, you can also create and manage Fleet FOTA configuration for your devices. To create a new configuration, click Add FOTA Configuration and Basic. In the Basic Data section, type in the configuration name. Upload an image from the repository or from your computer. For a newly uploaded image, provide a file name and confirm your choice by clicking Save. To see the configuration in the domains under yours, enable the Visible in Subdomains option. This option essentially allows your sub-customers to use the FOTA firmware update. Optionally, in the description field, provide information on your firmware. Click Next to go to the settings. Choose the image delivery method as it was in the video about firmware update. I will choose the pull method, which is recommended. By this, the LwM2M Client receives the URI of the file that is to be downloaded and pulls the file from it. Now we'll go to the FOTA Campaigns. In the left side menu, select Firmware Update and FOTA Campaigns. The FOTA Campaigns dashboard consists of a list of campaigns with the possibility to add or hide columns with status, name, domain, target device type, start time, finish time, created, and created by. Now we'll go through the Fleet FOTA process, and for better visualization of this, I prepared small demo. 3 ESP32 devices connected to the diodes. Right now, every diode is off, but after the update, they should blink. In the upper right corner, click Add FOTA Campaign and Basic. In the Basic Data view, provide a campaign name, add optionally a description of the firmware, and select FOTA configuration. Here, the underlying file's expiration date is set to 6 months by default, but you can change this to other values. In the Devices tab, you can choose the devices which will be updated. You can see that it works by manufacturer, model name, and firmware version. In my case, it will be M5 Stick as a manufacturer. Click Next and Add FOTA Campaign to start the process. Now, as you can see, we've got an active campaign. By clicking this, you can go to the overview where you will see the status of the process. Go to the Information tab to see the configuration and campaign informations. In the next two tabs, you can see the devices which started or not started yet the process. As you can see, we have to wait few seconds to refresh the Coiote to show the changes in the statuses. So right now we've got 3 devices in progress status. So let's speed up this a little bit. After a while, all 3 devices succeeded the process. Look at the demo where you can see 3 diodes blinking separately. It means that every device was updated. Now, click one of the devices and go to the firmware update tab, where you can see that every step was succeeded. And that's all for the Fleet FOTA. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.